What's your deal? You want attention? To start off this nail look, I'm applying a base coat to all my nails, and I am using Seche Vite base coat. So for my 3-color color scheme, I've got this light blue, this bright shimmery blue, and this magenta holographic polish. So I'm starting by applying the least opaque polish to my nails first as the base layer. This is because since we're doing multiple layers, you'll want to start with the least opaque so that when you apply an additional color, you're able to cover up what's underneath. So I'm applying this Seche Vite top coat so that, oh my gosh, Bean is bored of what I'm saying. But anyway, you apply the top coat so that when we apply these, the striping tape, the color doesn't peel off when you peel the striping tape off. Y'all got me, right? Yeah. So I'm just placing these randomly across my nail. No pattern really. I kind of like the no pattern look for this design. So yeah, you'll want to make sure to smooth those down. And the next color I decided to go in with was the shimmery blue because I thought the magenta hollow looked better covering up the blue. So you might want to test your polish like I did to see which one, the order that you'll want to apply them in. So once I applied the blue polish, I started taking off the striping tape immediately. And you can see I kind of test out which one to take off. It's best to try to take them off in the reverse order that you put them on, but it's kind of hard to remember sometimes. But yes, so now I'm applying another quick dry top coat layer, and then we're going on with this again to apply our magenta color. So one thing I'll note is I tried to make sure as I was doing it randomly that I covered up spots that had both the light blue and the dark blue. You'll want to make sure to not go in the same pattern you did before so that when you apply the next layer you'll get a little bit of the light blue and the medium blue to show through. So now I'm just applying a magenta holographic, and same thing, just peeling these off, trying to do it in the reverse order that I put them on, and bam. And now we are applying a final quick dry top coat layer to finish off the look. So this is the finished design. This took me about 2 hours, but I took breaks in between just to give you an idea of how time consuming it is. So it may be a better design for an accent nail. Another thing I'll note, it would be kind of hard to do this on the other hand because as you're taking off the tape, you flick polish on your other fingers. But yes, it's pretty straightforward, just nail polish and striping tape. I hope you enjoyed this design and come back for another video next Monday. Bye!